What's going on, guys? This is your boy Tryhard bringing you another new video. Today we're gonna go over how to never lose a trade again. But before we get into the video, guys, let me break it down to you. It's not really how to never lose a trade. You're gonna lose a trade. It's just the way it works. I'm gonna teach you guys how to stop losing so many trades in a row. And this goes down to nobody's 100% on trading. It's just not possible. So you guys ever see somebody with a signals group or anybody texting you or messaging you, they're like 100% rate, on my signals? Guys, is false. Not true. Not at all. I've known a lot of traders throughout my time. The best I've seen is like 85%. I'm not even at 85%. Mine hovers around like 76%. I know you can still be profitable with like a 50%, even sub 50%, depending on what your risk to reward is. But yeah, guys, 100% is just not true. That's not what we're gonna go over. That's just title videos, how to never lose a trade. But more likely is gonna be more how to stop losing trades, or how to manage your percentage wise and stuff like that. And you guys are wondering probably, how am I going to teach you guys to stop losing trades, guys? It's pretty simple. Confirmations. We're going to be going over confirmations now, how you should use confirmations, how many confirmations you should have. Because guys, this alone is the only thing that's going to help you from losing trades. Now, you're not going to be perfect, but we're not. We're just going to go over when to take the trades, because I've noticed while talking through Discord and, a lot of people that message me, and I've had one-on-ones with a lot of people, what they struggle with the most is just jumping into trades that they shouldn't be jumping into in the first place. If you had a plan set up and you're looking at the confirmations, having one confirmation doesn't really mean, like, for example, people that trade a break of structure or a break of trend line, and as soon as it breaks the trend line, they jump into the trade reverses and they get stopped out. Like, that was one confirmation. The break of the trend line was one confirmation. You shouldn't jump into a trade with only one confirmation. You should definitely be looking for like 3-4 confirmations, maybe even more, if you like that stuff. That's what we'll be going over today. I'll be going over maybe 4 different types of confirmations that you guys could be looking for and apply them to your trading plan, and then hopefully you guys will stop seeing these losing trades. But let's go over some and then we'll go from there. Guys, before we get right into the video, it's not gonna take too much of your time. I just want to say thank you, guys. I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while, and I took a little break from my signals group as well. So there's been a couple of people that have stuck with me through it. They still were in the signals group. There are a lot of people messaging me, hey, like, what's going on? So definitely want to say thank you to those guys. I just took a little break. Sometimes you just got to get away from the computer, staring at charts every single day, and doing stuff like that just gets tiring. So sometimes you just need a little reset. So guys, now I'm back though. So I do want to say thank you to all those that were checking up on me. I appreciate it. We're back on full go mode. So we'll definitely expect more videos. Signals group is back up. I'm trying to figure out a way how to go. I want to start going live when I'm trading during London session, because problem I've been having is staying up at 3 in the morning. It gets pretty difficult. But I feel like if I'm on live talking with people in the signals group, or maybe I'll do like a free one and I'll post it in the Discord chat. Chatting with you people will probably keep me up. So I'm looking at a way into doing that. I want to do it through the signals group. If I can't do it through the signals group, then I might just do a couple ones free on Discord and stuff like that. So thank you guys for that. One more thing, guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put a little Instagram link up here, guys. I'm trying to be more active on my Instagram, and Instagram is probably the best way to reach me. My Discord DMs are flooded, so it's kind of hard to message back on Discord. But if you guys message me on Instagram, more than likely you will get a reply back. So definitely, guys, check me out like that, guys. The link for the signals group will still be in the description. Thank you, guys. Now let's get right into the video. All right, guys, we switched over screens and we're gonna be going over GJ. And I don't like, I've seen a lot of videos of people when they're doing like any types of trading videos, they usually do a video with like a breakdown from like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, or they'll go through all different pairs and look for like whatever fits the topic. I don't want to do that. As you guys know, I'm a London trader. I trade GJ, so we're gonna be going over GJ. And I don't want to, show you guys a breakdown from 2 weeks ago. I want to show you a trade from like last night. So this is what we're going to be going over. We're going to go over this breakdown last night. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I did not take this trade for the reason I fell asleep during London session, and I would have taken the sell, but we fell asleep. And it's been hard, staying up till 3 in the morning because I'm Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, we couldn't jump into this trade, but it's still good to go over since it's fresh. This is from last night. I'm gonna show you guys why I took it. I'm gonna show you guys the confirmations that we're gonna go over with this trade, and hopefully everybody has a different trading plan. So of course, every confirmation is not gonna fit your trading plan. Maybe it just doesn't go along with your trading style, but try to use some of these confirmations into your trading plan so you stop losing so many trades. Now that's what we're gonna be going over today, just confirmations, how to look for this stuff, how to add it on to you guys, and for you guys, stop taking low quality trades, or stop taking so many trades. I've seen some people that are taking, like, unless you're a scalper, if you're scalping and you're getting in and out the market and that's your style, go for it. For me, for example, I try to take 1, maybe 2 trades a day, if that. I prefer better quality trades, aiming for a higher take profit than just going in and out of the market at every high and every low. So, but that's up to you guys. Every trend, every plan works itself. So it's just up to you, whatever you guys want to do. So we're going to go over right now. So we have GJ on the 4 hour. So one of the first things confirmation wise, guys, is when you're jumping into a trade, you have to look at multiple hour times. You know, don't just look at one time frame and then say, okay, I'm good, I'm jumping this trade. Just for the reason being, like, something may look very clean. It might be like the best buy on the 15-minute time frame. You know, it's looking super clean, a break of structure, you know, breaking retest, trend lines following, the fib has been played, the EMAs are underneath. It's looking great. But then if you go on the 4-hour time frame, you're on a super downtrend. And this is where you guys gotta, you know, mess up a little bit sometimes too. Sometimes you guys send me your trades and, you know, you're on the 30-minute or the 15-minute and you're looking for a clean buy. As soon as I jump in the trade, I, you know, click on the 4-hour and you're in a downtrend. Now you're trading against the trend. And I know you guys have heard this before, you know, trade with the trend. It's one of those things we say in trading, I guess, annoying. I feel like you hear it in every single video. But guys, I mean, this is the one thing that it really does work, you know, trading with the trend. You know, if you're on a 4-hour and you're trading, you know, upwards, why would you want to take a sell, or vice versa? If, you know, on the 4-hour, if you're going down, why were you trying to, you know, take a buy? It just doesn't make sense. And, you know, when you become more experienced and profitable, some people are reversal traders. I mean, it works for them. But if you guys are watching this video and you're struggling and you're, you know, trying to get that percentage up, then definitely trade with the trend. Don't take a trade. No matter how good it looks, guys, remember, there's always going to be another trade. There's always going to be another day. It's better to not trade today than to take a loss or blow your account. So definitely look into that, guys. So for me, for example, I have the daily 4-hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15 minutes. I don't really do the 5 minutes just because maybe I'll go on it just to, you know, scalp a sniper entry. But most of the time, the 15-minute does me just fine. I start off, usually I'll look at the daily. I won't break down or not analyze on the daily. I'll just try to take a look at the daily, see what we're doing. But this one looks pretty simple, pretty clean. I've been trading GJ for a while, so, you know, it's pretty simple to see how it's looking. You know, we had a good push and now we had to come back down because this push was way too heavy. We didn't get like no big retest. We had a little bit retest right here, but wasn't significant enough for the entire push. So now we're all the way up here. So what are we going to do? We got to come back down to collect some of this right here. Now we made it all the way down here, which is perfect because now we're retesting right here. Oh, wrong one. Now we're retesting right over here. Bam. Now what do I see? It rejected off this trend line perfectly. Now we got a little push up. Price is retesting. Price is retesting. Overall, I see we're going to go bullish here in the, this won't happen overnight, guys. This is probably in the next couple of weeks. We'll probably start seeing another little bullish run right here, or if price breaks down. I don't think it'll break down. It might come back down right here, maybe make a little double bottom, maybe match up with this one and make another double bottom here, but I doubt it. I don't think we'll go that low. It might go that low. If it does, we'll play for the double bottom and then we'll see our little run that we're looking for right here. But if not, then it'll just be off this retest right here. Bam, bam, and then we'll go up here. Now that's what's that. Remember, we're on the daily time frame, so you don't want to, you know, fall in love with anything yet. We're gonna move down 4-hour. Now 4-hour is really where I start marking down, just because I like the way the 4-hour candles form. You know, it takes a while to form those candles. So if you see something on the 4-hour candle, more than likely you will see something good. So off break right here, one of my confirmations, you know, we'll see come this way. Trend lines. You can never go wrong with trend lines. Trend lines are the best thing ever. So if you're looking at a trend line, bam. So my trend line's going downwards. We're on a bearish trend line. So that means I'm looking for a sell. Yes, it did break up here, but if you guys can see, as soon as it broke, bam, instantly rejected. So it's still, in my case, a bearish trend line. The reason I said on the daily, because I think it's going to go bullish until we see a nice push, unless it breaks this high right here. When it breaks this high, now I'll say we're on a bullish trend line. But until it breaks this high right here, I'm not considering any buys yet. Now, I did say, remember, I said on the daily, I'm looking for buys, but I said for a few weeks and I won't take that buy until this breaks right here. So right now I'll be looking for sells, right? Now, bam, we did our trend line and I see we have major resistance around this area right here. Bam, you see all this right here. There's all that resistance right there. Look at that support forming, beautiful support over here. Came back over here. It's not perfect, but it's a little bit of resistance right there. And I think last night, let me see. Last night we were on somewhere right there. Bam, right? So now we're right here. This is what we're looking at last night. I want to show you guys, you know, from in time. So this is why I said I was looking for that sell, right? You know, we're still on the trend line going down. The support now turned resistance is beautiful. Now what do we have? We have 2 confirmations already set in blank, right? But we don't want to just do 2. We want to do 3, 4. For me, for example, you guys know, if you watch my other videos, I love chart patterns and I love candle patterns. So I'll look down into the hour and I'll try to look for something that, you know, a flag pattern, a head and shoulders, a doji candle, something telling me, hey, you know, this is the time to sell. So 1 hour, still not enough. So let's go on the 30-minute. We're going to zoom in right here. Let's see, maybe let's go back to the hour. So you see this candle right here, this candle already, this one candle right here. If you guys haven't studied your candles, definitely go study some candle videos. I don't want to make a candle video just because there's so many candles. I only use certain ones, but definitely go look into candles and because each candle tells a story, guys, and you really got to know, especially here in this situation where you're coming into a resistance. one candle right here could give you the confirmation for getting into that sell. Now I was looking more for like a head and shoulders type of pattern. Oh, but wait, let's see. Let's play it out a little bit. Let's play it out. Okay, not wanting to play. Hold up. Sorry guys, I was running into technical difficulties. It's been a while since I used the replay mode, but we're back in it. Okay, so like I said, like the ones I like is the head and shoulders, the flag pattern. So I'm already starting to notice a head and shoulder pattern here. It's not the cleanest, but remember, sometimes it won't be that clean. So you see right here, the shoulders forming right around here. Bam, you got your little head right here. Bam. Now, bam, right shoulder forming, and you see it's already starting to reject. So that's why I say candle, guys. Watch your candles. So right here, bam, at this shoulder, depending on how risky you want to be. If you want to be risky, you could have taken that sell from up here already. So you could have taken that sell at the right shoulder. Bam, right there. You know, of course, you aim for the highs right here. And then your take profit could have been somewhere down over here, depending on which one to trade, right? And then we just let it keep going a little bit. Is that forward? It is forward. Bam, automatically just like that. And then hold, keep going on it, keep going on it. It's fine. Bam, and bam, TP hit just like that. So what did we see there? It was a trend line. It was a support, term resistance, lower time frames. We saw the head and shoulders. Fourth candlestick. That fourth confirmation was the candle formation that we saw over here at the top. So guys, that's 4 confirmations. That's how I take my trades. Definitely something you guys can add on to yours. But yeah guys, that does it for this video. I don't want to make the video too long because I know you guys don't like watching those videos, so I'm trying to keep my videos around like 10 minutes long. So if it's going by a little bit fast, that's probably why, guys. If you guys want to go in the comment section, let me know. Maybe I'll make a longer video. I just know me personally, I don't like watching like 30-minute long videos, but I do remember when I first started trading, I did watch those 30-minute 45 minutes videos. So maybe you guys do like it. Just let me know in the comments if you prefer, you know, a 10-minute video or a 30-minute video. I know the 10-minute I have run through it kind of fast, but just like my other videos, I'll do a little summary right now. So we're going over confirmations on it, guys. Remember, 3 to 4 confirmations what you should be looking for before you jump into a trade. Don't jump into a trade with just 1 or 2. Make sure you got a couple. So for example, on this breakdown right here that we had that trend line. We had the daily already going bearish. So what do we know? We know we're looking for sales now. So we went on the 4-hour. We saw that trend line on the 4-hour, a bearish trend line. Perfect. It did break it a little bit, but it instantly got rejected. So we're still on that bearish trend line until it breaks that high. We're not going bullish, right? So now what do we got? We got trend line. We got a higher time frame telling us to go down. We go into a little support that was turned into resistance. So now we're looking for that resistance sell off. Now we went into an even lower time frame, and now we're looking for our chart patterns, which we found a head and shoulders, and we had a candlesticks were telling us that it was going to sell off as well. So guys, that was 4 confirmations, and this is what I mean by I use confirmations to, you know, reevaluate when you're trading, just to take those better quality trades, guys. If you want another video like this, there are a couple more confirmations. I can do a part 2 to this video and show you guys different confirmations, but for most part, my trading, I keep it simple. That breakdown is basically what you know how I trade. I add a little bit more to it, but nothing much. You know, simplicity is key for me, so it works for me and it could work for you guys. So keep it simple. Make sure your confirmations are there. Make sure your risk reward is there. On that trade right there, I usually trade, I might lot varies depending on the stop loss, but right there that was like a 1 to, I don't know how much. Let me see, give me 1 second, I'll check right now. That was a 1 to, what is it, 1 to 6. So bam, you could have risked, you know, 1 band, you could have made 6,000 right off of it. So my risk reward was there. Everything was perfect on it. Even if you got the sell from a little bit lower, you didn't, let's say you didn't catch the exactly right shoulder, even if you caught it lower, you know, waited for a little bullish candle, put that high right there, bam, you could have still made money off that, guys. So that's all I'm saying, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Definitely any questions, leave them in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, guys. The signal group will be in the bottom, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. See you.